Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a free AWS EC2 Linux instance. First of all, we're gonna create a AWS account, and then we use a Gmail account to register AWS account. I will show you from the scratch by just create a Gmail account first. So after we got the AWS account, we can create our EC2 Linux instance. I also will show you how you can use Putty to SSH connected to your instance after we create it. Okay, now let's begin. Go to Google, click sign in, more options, create account, fill out your information. I'm gonna use the test data here. AWS test 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is taken. Just try another one. Put IT here. Okay, create your own password. That's a fake one. Okay, put your mobile. Your email address. Click next step. Okay, agree. Yes, that's your new Gmail account. Okay, we save this account here. Yep. Let's go to AWS. Just Google it. Okay, the first one. Create a free account. Yep. Fill out the form. Use our Gmail account just created. Okay, create your own password and AWS account name. We use personal here. Okay, put your phone number, country, address, city, Brisbane, state, Queensland, postcode, agreement. Okay, you must put your credit card information here, but if you use the free tier, it won't charge you. Just in case if you use any extra service, they will charge you. Okay. Here, you must pass the verification. Once you put your phone number here, an AWS robot will call you. Then you need to put the code. Yep, that's the code. Once you receive the call, you need to put this code. Probably I'm answering the phone. Zero 781. Yes. Verified successfully. Good. Okay, here we choose the basic plan. It's free. Okay, we need to sign into the console again. Okay. Put your new email address. Put your AWS password you created. Yep. Click launch a virtual machine. We use EC2 instance here. Click get started. Put a name for your instance. Okay. We use Amazon Linux here. Click next. Okay. T2 micro is free. Okay. You need to create a key pair. This is for your SSH connection. It's very important. You need to save this secretly. Okay, click create this instance. While the instance is creating, we will use Putty to remote log in to our EC2 instance. Okay, we go to the Putty website and download the zip file. Zip file contains all the applications we need. Okay, we unzip it. Then you have a Putty folder. Okay, first we need to use the PuttyGen to convert our key file from .pem to .ppk. Okay, here is the key file we downloaded, pem, right? We load it and save private key. Yes. Here we can use the same name, but remove the extension. Okay, click save. Yep. Then we have a .ppk key. Okay. Okay. Our instance is completed. Yep. You can see from here instance ID and it is running. That's the public IP. We use this IP to visit our website. Later, I'll show you how to create a WordPress website. Okay, here we use EC2-user at the server public IP address. Okay, we save this session as a name. Here, you must import your key here. Okay, click open. Okay, something happened. Yeah, that's right. We need to go back to the security group because there's it's like a firewall. Uh, so currently it is not allowed for your IP to connect to use SSH. So we add a new rule and put your public IP. If you don't know your home public IP, you can go to what is my IP, that website. It will show your home IP here. You just copy and paste to here. Put /32 and give a description SSH from home. Then click save. Yes. Yep. Okay. But you can see I didn't attach the key. Yeah, we must attach the key, otherwise you can't log into your server. Okay. I think the sequence is not right. We have to make sure we load the instance first, then we attach the key. Yes. Then click open. Click session. Click open. Yeah, it works. Okay, in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to install Apache, PHP, and MySQL on this server. Thank you for watching. See you next time.